Jolly today, forget tomorrow. Isi-ewu, kanyiweku, imana abacha, Isi-ewu, igango biaki, gango ku, NKWOBI, kaitawa.
Jolly today, forget tomorrow, my brothers and sisters. If it's your first time here, please join this jolly family by clicking on the red subscribe button down there to get yourself subscribed. And if you're a return subscriber, thank you for returning. Come on, go ahead, wash your hand and grab some meat. You are the real MVP. Without further ado, let's just get started. Okay, here we've got goat head already washed, and I intentionally dropped the important parts on top because I actually heard that when you don't see the important parts like the eyes, the ears, the nose, that the Isi-ewu is not complete. So I deliberately kept it where you people will see it, and I've already washed it. So I'm just this the ear. So I'm just going to go ahead and introduce it into the pots. For the purpose of this Isi-ewu, I'm using pressure pot because I do not want to spend the whole day in the kitchen. Isi-ewu is very tough to cook, so I'm using pressure pots to make it faster. So to that, I'm going to add my onions. I have them in chunks because I can easily remove them. I don't want to have poto onions inside my recipe. To that, I'm going to be adding my seasoning cubes. Use any seasoning cube of your choice. To that, I'm going to add some salt. Then I'm going to add the quantity of water that will be enough to cook this. I do not want to have a lot of water. I'm just going to be adding this quantity. But if you are using a regular pot, be sure to add lots of water because it's going to take you about 1 hour plus to cook. But with this pressure pot, I don't need lots of water. And I know you were wondering, is she not going to put the brain inside the pot? No, because I'm using pressure pot, I'm just going to go ahead and wrap this, and I'll use my small pot to cook it separately. This is going to take about 20 to 25 minutes. So I'll just go ahead and seal it up and cook it in a separate pot. So here are the rest of the ingredients. In this plate, we've got a roasted peeled calabash nutmeg, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like in raw form. And here we've got a pepper, of course. I've got our ground crayfish and a seasoning cube, and then otazi. Here we've got chopped onions. What else? Ubaka or ugba, and of course ungo. Ungo is an alternative to potage. Please, if you know what it's called in English, I would really love to know this. And of course palm oil. So I've already started pounding the pepper already. To that, I'm going to be adding the cooked goat brain. The goat brain acts as a thickener to our recipe, so I'm going to go ahead, throw it in and mash it alongside the pepper. So here we've got our oil already heated, as you all can see. So to that, I'm going to go ahead and add the ntungo, or add your cow, or if you're using baking soda. Those are the alternatives to this thing that I'm using. Just go ahead, add it. You see that the oil will turn yellow. You stir until it becomes thick. Okay, so to that, I'm going to be adding the mashed brain. Remember, here we'll have a combination of pepper and the goat's brain. So I'm going to add that right away and stir properly to incorporate. So to that, I'll go ahead and add my ground calabash nutmeg. I've gone ahead to blend it smooth. To that, I'll add my seasoning cube, add my ground crayfish, add my chopped onions, and I'm gonna go ahead and stir this properly. To that, I'll add my abacha. Isi-ewu without abacha, is that one Isi-ewu? Go ahead, just add some ugba. Trust me, it's going to take it to the next level. Stir this properly, and our food is almost ready. So I'll go ahead and taste for salt. It's okay for me. So I'll I'll just go ahead right away to throw in my Isi-ewu. I want to apologize to those of you that used to debone before doing the ngwongbo. Please, when it comes to Isi-ewu, I am local. Allow me to be local. Like when it comes to Isi-ewu, how can I remove the bone? What will I hold to deal with the meat? It's the bone that I will hold, and I apologize though if you're if you're in the classes of people that like using fork for your Isi-ewu. I like using my bare hands. Trust me, try this, try it. You see that the taste will not be the same. So just go ahead and stir this properly. This Isi-ewu is ready. But let me ask you, beautiful soul, let me ask you, have you subscribed to the Jolly family? Have you? Please, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to this channel and stay tuned. And please give this video a thumbs up as well. So I've just added otazi, and our food is ready. You can go ahead and heat it up for about a minute or two, but I won't be doing that because my Isi-ewu meat is ready, is hot. I mean to say my oil was hot, so I won't need to be steaming it or to be heating it up. And please don't go and be enjoying this thing with Fanta and Cocoa or Five Alive. Make sure you use chilled palm wine. What did I say? Palmy. Hey, this local girl. So guys, we are done with this video, and this is how you enjoy this. Isi-ewu kanyimegu imana ibacha nyatisi-ewu inangobi yaki inangonku wetankwabi kind tawa jolly today, forgot tomorrow, baby mo gege. Please, if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I will sure love to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.